Alright, I decided to arrange the magnets like this. The heavy-duty magnets I put on the stones because they're heavier than the clay, than the sea-washed clay pieces. So there and there we have the heavy magnets. And then on the bigger tiles, we have the weaker magnets that I came up with. And I am hoping, I have one left over of those. And so I'm hoping that these three little ones, that the three magnets will go. I'm going to secure them on with some resin. Let's see how it does. Should probably wear gloves. See how it did. Couldn't find the tweezers. I'll find them when I'm not looking for them anymore. Still a wee bit soft, but it's hard enough. I'm gonna go do a load test. See if it manages to stick. Magnets in the proper orientation. And I'm going to do them one at a time because they want to dance a little bit.
It feels a lot better.
So here they are, all finished. Fronts and backs coated with UV resin. So, mini collection, ready to go. Somebody let me know if you want one.